Hi everyone, this is Ruchi in conversation with Ashish Mohapatra. It was lovely to have you on the panel, Ashish. Some questions for you. Off business solved a problem most people didn't know they had. SME credit disguised as procurement. When you look at the founders being funded in a room like this, do you see the same pattern solving invisible problems?
Invisible, I think invisible problems is good to have because frankly, if they're visible to everyone, somebody or the other will solve it. So it's better to solve an invisible problem.
So you've been on both sides as a founder, raising capital, and as someone who understands capital at scale. What do most angel investing still fundamentally misunderstand about early stage investing?
I think one of the key things that angel investors do miss while they are doing the angel investing is the illiquidity of it. There's great returns to be made, but you'll have to wait. I think the waiting is a little underrated. I think the longer you wait is better for you because it increases your odds of success and your chances to multiply. So that's one. I would say the second thing that angel investors miss is that they start thinking beyond their network and their own ability of I would say sphere of influence. If you step out of both of them, then your chances of making a return are lower. So think long term. Do not think of making a quick buck. And I would say invest in something that you know or in somebody that you know.
I heard that in the panel also, right? You were very emphatic about investing.
I learned that from John T. So
okay.
I thought
that was
still a fanboy moment.
Okay. That was absolutely. I am also going through that. I can't say boy, but a fan moment for sure. There's a narrative that real wealth creation in India is only happening in consumer tech. You broke that. What would you tell the first-time investors who's about to place their first bet?
The narrative is wrong. I will tell you that. Real wealth in India has not been made in tech as yet. It's early wealth. The largest Indian company is Reliance Industries, B2B. The second largest Indian company, at least well known, is Adani, B2B. One of the largest Indian companies that is well known outside in India is Tata Consultancy Services, B2B again. So the narrative was wrongly understood. I just opened people's eyes.
Thank you. That was a good morning moment for all of us here. Was there a moment today, a question from the audience, an exchange on the stage while you were there, where you thought that is exactly the kind of conversation that should be happening more in India?
While on the stage, I think a lot of people, it was really off stage, but I would credit IPV for the platform that this conversation happened. A lot of people came back and said, how do they really participate in the burgeoning startup landscape? And I think platforms like IPB are very important for you to understand, and it should open your eyes because it's a great use of disposable capital.
Fantastic. Thank you. If you could give this room one framework, not a tip, not a trend, but a way of thinking about building wealth through startups, what would that be?
I'm a big fan of believing in yourself. So if you're a founder, invest in yourself, put all guns blazing, go for yourself, put everything that you have in the startup. If you're not a founder, figure out a way in which you can bet on yourself to actually be a part of the startup ecosystem. If you still can't do that, be an investor. That's third, but still okay-ish. If you're an investor, do something that you know, or at least invest in somebody you know, or follow somebody you know, or follow what your own area of expertise is. Most of the time, we believe that we don't know much, but it will amaze you that if you start thinking about it, whether sitting in an armchair or with a newspaper in hand or while watching the television, what you know is where you'll make your money.
Fantastic. So 2 takeaways. Invest in something that you have expertise in or in somebody you know.
Yeah, that's right.
So now is your rapid fire moment. Are we ready?
Sure. Yeah, Richard,
okay.
Go on.
Best signal a founder gives you in 60 seconds.
He's not out to build a valuation, but real value for people around him.
Fantastic. Overrated metric in early stage investing.
The amount he raises.
What does India still get wrong about capital?
I think we overrate debt a lot. I think because of years of British Raj, colonial rule, license Raj after that, we've too much in the mindset of saying that we should save, and or if not save, then put it in debt. I think we should consume because it's good for our markets, and the balance put it into equity. Sorry, I'm being a little extremist to just prove my point.
Thank you very much, Ashish. I think you have scored 100 on 100 in the rapid fire. So thanks for your
There's
time.
a hamper in waiting. Thank you.